Hey guys, Beast again from Geek Guys. I have a package in front of me and I have my knife. So yeah, it's an unboxing and this is BeatO एक smart diabetes meter है. So this is like अगर आपको अपना blood sugar level check करना है. So you don't need a bulky machine or something. You just need a very small machine and it will attach to your like Type-C port of your device. It is also available in micro USB as well. So if you have a micro USB device, it is compatible with that as well. I don't even know if it is a micro USB or like a Type-C. So that's a mystery we have to find out by unboxing it. So let's get started. So I guess I have to open it from this side. Okay. So you just need to buy the strips and the machine is actually free. They're giving away the machine. This is the machine and this is like first 10% off. It is like their whole website. So let's keep this to the side and it's only for 500 rupees. I paid only 500 rupees for this and that is like a really affordable thing. Like you need to enable OTG and download the BeatO app. So I'll do that and pair the device. This is the billing and stuff. So yeah, it is a strip pin and this is the machine. Oh, it has some seals. Okay, it has some seals. We'll just remove it. Okay, so this is called the Curve V. Use Type-C micro USB connector. Okay, USB connector. So this is okay. What's this? Okay, that's the manual. It also has a pouch that is a very basic pouch. Oh, actually, it has like a converter for Type-C to micro. So that's great. You get a converter from Type-C to micro USB. So this is, I guess, the machine. Yes, it is. So this is the machine. That is the Curve V. It is made in India and designed by BeatO. यहाँ पर strip insert होगी और ये जो Type-C port है ये आपके phone में insert होगा. So let's keep all these things to the side. This is the guide. And I guess we just need to install the app and it will like guide us through and that's how I think so. Okay, we open it like this. Let's check out our sugar level. I think so this is one of the most weirdest unboxing that I have done and let's see what else weird comes down the road. I have to tear it up. Okay. So these are the strips. Okay, so these are the strips and let's pick one out. This is the strip and this is where the like blood drop will go. So we'll keep it like here. Let's load this thing up. So this is like a newer and safe way to like use a needle. Twist it and the needle comes out and just screw it in. Then we decide how much we need. I think so that will be enough. I don't know how it goes. Okay. Oh, it gets loaded like this. Okay, so let's download the app. That is the BeatO app. BeatO. This is the app, so we have to download this app and also plug in this. Insert the strip. So it has like read the meter, so I am just inserting the strip. Okay, so the strip is inserted. Now I have to just like pinch myself. Okay, so I've just pinched myself and it is like giving a countdown and let's see. So it is 44. 44 is low. I don't know how accurate it is, but as of now my blood sugar level is low. So yeah, definitely it works, and this is the device, and you just need to like remove the strip. I'll just remove it, it's gross. So definitely it is a really great thing, and I like got it only for like 500 rupees because I only paid for these strips, the 25 strips that cost for like 500 rupees. And if you go for like 50 of them, it is like 800 rupees. So you just need to select how much strips you want, and the device is actually for free. I got a Google Pay code, and there was something like mentioned on their website, like you can get the device as well as for free. There is like a promo or something running on the website. So yeah, definitely there is also that, and you can also like convert it to micro USB because there is an adapter for that. And all in all, the device is really great because it is like so small, you can just like chug along and you can keep it in your pocket. And especially for those who are diabetic, this is like a really boon because they need to like check their blood sugar levels very like aggressively. So yeah, that is also really great that it is so portable that you can like go anywhere. It has a bag, so you can just put it inside and go wherever you want. And really it is so compact and it just works, so that is really great. And for 500 rupees I'm not complaining, and because the glucometers that usually cost around 2000 rupees that I've bought prior. So yeah, definitely it is a really great machine, and yeah, it is recommended. I will put the links below where you can get it, and hopefully it is like the machine is free for you as well. So guys, that was it for this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, please make sure to like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel. This has been BeatO Blood guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.